Hey gang, it's Wes here at Busy Gettin Disney. I just arrived at Epcot. I have a lunch reservation today to eat at the Biergarten over in Germany Pavilion. I'm running a little bit late. I've got about 15 minutes before my reservation, so I'm going to head on over there. And on the way out today, we are going to stop back here to check out the legacy panels that are back in a really new form, and I'll explain those a little later. For right now, let's head over to Germany Pavilion and have lunch. I can't wait. Hi there.
If you come back to me, it's okay later on.
Thank you.
Have a magical day.
Thank you, you too. I don't know if you saw that, you guys, but in addition to having a German lunch today, I am wearing my Germany Pavilion magic band, of course. I'm walking quickly. I have about 10 minutes before my reservation, but I believe I have a 15 to 20 minute leeway after the start of the reservation time, so we're good. My only little regret today is not bringing a jacket or wearing a regular t-shirt because it's chilly out here and it wasn't supposed to be. It is supposed to be in the 70s this afternoon, and it's about 12:30 right now, so maybe it'll get warmer and I'll get lucky. If not, I don't mind the chilly weather. If you can endure summer in Florida, you don't mind the chilly days in winter, that's for sure. Hola, Mexico. Mexico Pavilion. Wow, it was a little crowded today. Hello, Norway. Hello, China. Germany Pavilion in sight. We're almost there. Coming up on Germany Pavilion. Actually, right on time. I thought I was going to be a little late, but I am right on time. And a little hungry. I definitely didn't eat anything, or, well, I didn't eat much at all before I left the house because the Biergarten does not mess around with their meals. They are not stingy with what they bring you. Now, the last time we were here, John and I were here, the regular method of being served at the Biergarten is serve yourself, buffet style. Obviously, that's not going to be happening now, so I'm not sure exactly how it's going to work, but we will find out very shortly. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Let me grab some silverware now. Right?
Cool, thanks. Okay, getting seated. Thank you.
We're just here for you, and then your server will be right with you.
Thank you very much.
You are very welcome.
So this is the main dining room. It is actually made to look like you are physically in Germany at nighttime. I do love the water glass. Kind of looks like a beer mug. Even though I will not be drinking beer, I do love the water mug. Cool. Okay, gang, so like I said, ordinarily this would be buffet style, but because of the situation right now, it's actually going to be family style. So all of the food is actually going to be bought to me. So I kind of know what a lot of it is because we've eaten here a couple times before. I'm very excited. Cheers. Okay, so the first round of food was already brought to me. Salads, some really awesome rolls. I'm looking forward to those. German potato salad, macaroni salad, cucumber, tomato, and onion salad. Some dressing and butter. It's all looking pretty good. So I'm starting with it all. German potato salad, macaroni salad, cucumber, onion, and tomato salad, and some really good looking pretzel bread there. And it is all really, really good. The potato salad especially is my favorite. It reminds me of the German potato salad that my grandmother used to make. My grandmother on my dad's side, because that whole side of the family was German. That's my background. And the potato salad definitely reminds me of Nana Zasha's potato salad from back in the day when I was younger. I miss this. It's awesome. Okay, so my server also just told me that in about 5 minutes, the Oktoberfest performers will be out doing their show, and the stage is just beyond that next row of tables here in the dining room. So we're gonna get a peek at that. They're always good, they're always a lot of fun. And although it's not Oktoberfest right now, they are gonna do their Oktoberfest performance, and I can't wait to see it. Okay, gang, so we've got the entertainment and the food now. Look at this platter of food, and this is a lot for one person, but I'm gonna do my best. We've got chicken schnitzel, roasted chicken, bratwurst, red cabbage, sauerkraut, meatballs, and veggies. Again, I'm gonna do my best, but this is an awful lot. Definitely getting back to my roots here. Good stuff. Not that it should come as any surprise, but I am getting full. This was awesome, but boy, this is a lot of food. Oh my goodness, you guys, check out dessert. How am I going to do this on my own? Apple strudel, black forest cake, Bavarian cream cheese cake. That's a new one to me. Wow. This is awesome. And it is a lot. Okay, and the Black Forest cake is most definitely my favorite here. Wow. Oh boy, that was good. Okay. Auf Wiedersehen. Thank you. Back out in Germany Pavilion. That was an awesome lunch, but that was an awful lot of food for one person. I think we need to walk this off. As long as we're in Germany Pavilion, I think we should go and check out some of the shops here. The Christmas shop, the Werther's Original shop, caramel shop. Go check them out. We'll check out the Christmas shop first. Totally loving these snow globes. These are just awesome. Wow. These are really cool. I like that a lot. Way cool. Cool. Christmas all over again. Here is where all of the German beer steins are. These are so cool. I have always liked these big beer mugs. I actually think my dad has collected some of these over the years. I have to ask him about these. Because the last time I was home in New Jersey, I don't remember seeing these. And I'm not sure where he has them, but I think he collected them at one time. It is the famous pickle Christmas tree. I've seen this before. I always get a kick out of these ornaments. I actually thought about this tank top. If you guys know me, you'll know I love my tank tops in summer. I thought this Oktoberfest one was pretty cool. And right now, annual pass holders have a 30% discount for the rest of the month of February on merchandise. Might have to think about that. Okay, let's check out the caramel store. Can't pass that up. Hey, Werther's Originals. Who can say no to that? I guess I can say no to that, at least for today. It's a really, really long line to get in there to the Werther's Original store. But just so you guys know, it's actually a quick service. Not a restaurant, only for candy, only for caramels and Werther's Originals. So for now, auf Wiedersehen to Germany Pavilion. I need to walk off some of this really heavy German food. Wow. So I'm going to continue on my little journey here of World Showcase. And I'll have done a 360 around World Showcase when we finish up. The weather's not great, a little drizzly, but that's okay. I always say a rainy day in Disney is better than a sunny day not in Disney. It's true. I love the German electric trains here too, by the way. These are so cool. So Festival of the Arts obviously is still going on here, and I have to check out this massive painting of Darth Vader. Wow. Passing through Italy Pavilion now. Heading into American Pavilion, American Adventure over here. Japan Pavilion. Passing Morocco. Love Morocco. This is always a cool stop. The shops in here are really awesome. And in the middle of all of this gray today, I just love that bright yellow tree. That is so pretty. Heading into France. France is next. I'd like to think I'm burning off a little bit of all that food. That seemed like about 5 pounds of meat on that platter. Wow. That's a lot of pretty right there too. The pink flowered tree, not sure what it is. But I love seeing that color, that bright color against all that gray. Here's a sign advertising the new fireworks show that's coming, which is going to be called Harmonious. The floats are already out there. I'm not sure exactly when that show is opening, but that is bound to be spectacular. I'm really looking forward to that. I so miss fireworks at Disney. The day fireworks come back to Disney is going to be a big one. I'll probably cry the first time I see fireworks back here. It's already been a year. One of the things I really, really miss a lot. Wow. I do miss Disney fireworks. Hello, England. We are now in UK Pavilion. In case you couldn't tell, I got some really great fish and chips here a few weeks ago that I vlogged. Those were awesome. I should not be talking about food, though, after that meal that I just had in Germany. Too soon to be talking about food, even thinking about it. Okay, gang, while I'm over here in UK Pavilion, it felt to me like a good place to leave behind one of Alyssa's wishes, Kindness Rocks. Today's Kindness Rock says, art is where work meets love. I like that. Art is where work meets love. And since the Festival of the Arts is still happening here in Epcot, I thought this would be a great park to leave this particular rock in. Also, on the back, hashtag Alyssa's Wishes. Check them out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I will leave more information on Alyssa's Wishes and the Kindness Rocks project in the information for this vlog. It's an amazing cause that's been started by two really amazing friends of mine. My friend Karen, her daughter Ashley, in memory of Karen's daughter and Ashley's sister, Alyssa. Check out Alyssa's Wishes. And just in time for a princess cavalcade. The princesses are coming this way. It's Belle and Aurora and Jasmine and Snow White. Hi, you guys. Canada Pavilion.
We came from this direction.
There is still a lot of chalk art out here. One of my favorite things about Festival of the Arts is the chalk art, the pavement chalk art. I can't believe it's still here because it's been raining today. Very cool. Well, it's slightly washed away, I guess, but it has been raining today. Unfortunately, I wonder if the artists actually put some kind of sealant over the chalk, maybe, to protect it a little bit. Because I think regular plain old chalk would have actually been completely washed away. Not this.
5 minutes to park closing.
Okay, I did my 360, the entirety around World Showcase. I'm gonna head out for now, but I want to hit the legacy panels on the way out because I saw them on the way in, but I was in a hurry to get in here for lunch. But we're gonna go check them out right now. They're looking quite cool over there. Okay, and this foliage over here at the front of the park entrance is really, really cool. Look at how pretty these are. Wow. Leave a Legacy. Here are the Leave a Legacy panels, guys. So the Leave a Legacy panels, you guys, for anybody who might not know, it is a huge compilation of postage stamp size photographs of Disney guests who contributed and had their little postage stamp photos commemorated in these panels. They're really small. They're in black and white. I am super close up here so you guys can have a better look at what they are exactly. Families and Disney guests who left their impressions here in the Leave a Legacy panels. There are thousands of them, definitely. And these were on plain granite before. The panels used to be on plain granite, but Disney reimagined this and put them on colored panels now. At the front of the park. It's actually right before the entrance of Epcot here. And there's a QR code at the beginning of this display that if you have your picture up here somewhere, you can click the QR code and it will help you find where your little photograph is here. And I can imagine that would be difficult to do on your own if you didn't know exactly where your picture was. Trying to find your little face in the middle of all of these cannot be an easy task. Wow, so many. It's great that they're back though. I guess if you had your impression here, if you had your own image here, and thought it might have been taken away because it looked that way for a while when they were taken off of the granite. But Disney wouldn't do that. Now they're just back in color. The color panels are very, very cool. I like these a lot. Okay, gang, back out at the parking lot. Thank you so much for joining me for lunch today. The Biergarten is awesome. Looking back on my meal today, one thing I would say, first of all, I would highly recommend the Biergarten because the food, it really is phenomenal. It's just the quantity you get. It's not cheap. The quantity you get. It's not really a meal for one person. It was great for the vlog, so I don't regret it, but it's definitely for a group meal, family meal. At least more than one person, because that was actually too much for me. But it was awesome. It was great. It's always good. And a nice little stroll through World Showcase today to burn off some of that food. Have that digest. That helped too. So anyway, for now I'm going to head out. I am going to the gym because I still have to work out after that meal. And you guys, thank you so much for joining me. As always, if you're not subscribed to the channel and would like to follow us on the journey, please click that subscribe button. And if you had a great time with me today, please pound that like button. I appreciate it. Also, feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and I will leave my own Twitter information in the information for this vlog, along with information on Alyssa's wishes and the Kindness Rocks project. It's Wes at Busy Gettin Disney. Over and out. See you guys. Bye.